welcome to another one of my wonderful videos! As I promised in my last microbit video, I'll show you how to make your very first piece of code. Yup, this is gonna be so exciting! So first of all you need to do is taking the big part, your USB wire, and plugging it in to your laptop, putting the other small end into your microbit. I explained all the parts and all the stuff a microbit can do in my previous video. If you're not so experienced in coding, you can watch my Scratch tutorials where I showed you a bunch of basic stuff and I showed you a super duper fun games. There are also a lot of tutorials down here, like radio games, and a duct tape wallet, a watch, a step counter. Whoa! You can even do music. Then you can make super fun toys with it. Whoa! Look at the Octobot. And then there is a timing gate. That's pretty cool. And look, it'll even show you how to do the soil moisture one. A leveling meter, stopwatch, a compass. There's so many other cool stuff. Okay, let's go back to the top and click on this new project and give it a name. I'm gonna name mine name tag. Yeah, I know, I'm a very slow typer. Create. Okay, this is what you will start off with. You'll say name tag down here. It'll give you these two blocks to start off with. And if you're more of an advanced coder and you're watching this video and you want to learn more about the microbit, well, basically you can just click on this and it'll switch to JavaScript. And I'm pretty sure it'll show you Python too. So yep, Python is there too. So if you know either of those, I guess you can do it. There are a bunch of these tabs, and the first one says basic. Pretty obvious what the stuff is, it's just basic stuff. And since that is light blue and this is light blue, well then that means both of these blocks are from basic. There's something called input, to make music, LEDs, which are these things, radio. Okay, that is a confusing word. Radio means that, well, if you have more than one microbit, let's say that there's a hidden microbit in the house, or you lost a microbit. This is what you're gonna have to do. You're gonna have to create a piece of code which will basically make this microbit find another microbit which is hidden. So it'll show a number like 1, 2, 3, then 10 if you're like right next to it. And then loops, so stuff that'll repeat, logic, variables, which is like kind of like a bucket which you need to fill up, and math. There's a tab called advanced. If you click on that, it just shows a bunch of fancy stuff. So functions, arrays, text, game, images, pins, serial, control, and extensions. Okay, so let's just not look at the advanced stuff, because we're not at the advanced stuff yet. We go up here, search. I'm pretty sure you can just type forever, and then there it shows a block. That's pretty cool. I'm just gonna delete that. Okay, there. Now, let's go to the basic tab, get out the so string hello. Boom. Now let's take that and drag it in there. Let's delete this forever block and put that in the middle, right there. Okay, that's not really the middle. There, middle. Now, let's try this. Click on that, and it says hello. Look, it even showed the exclamation mark. Okay, I'm gonna make mine as, let's see. I know what to do. I can advertise my YouTube channel, and by typing in AA-Steam, okay, and here, oops, I think I put 2 spaces. Oh, never mind. Oh my gosh. Here, there. Okay. So let's click OK. Then AA-Steam. And series. Yeah, okay, there we go. Yes. So, to make sure that your project works before you download it onto your microbit, you can just play it through there, and then if you hold it there and click that, okay, it says stop the simulator. So basically it's not like real, but just to make sure that your code is right before you get on your microbit. Okay, now let's say you accidentally went to, I don't know, radio and dragged it out on radio received and put the code in there, and you try it and you're like, okay, nothing's happening. And then now you know that it's a mistake, so you don't download it onto your microbit. Okay, let's take that out. Boom. Put it back in on start. There we go. Perfect. So, make sure it works. Okay, it works. And then, let's go to download. Make sure your microbit is plugged in before you do this. Okay. Now, I'm just gonna minimize this or make it smaller for a second. Okay, so as you can see right here, it shows the microbit thingamabob. So if it doesn't show that, that means, well, there's probably something wrong with your microbit. Okay, then, okay, the hex file has been created, downloaded. This might be a tiny, whiny bit different from a MacBook and a PC and like a bunch of other stuff. I have a MacBook and I'll show you how to do this because I do not have a PC. Let's go down to downloads, and okay, if it's not in your downloads, well, basically you have to go to others in your downloads, and then it should say microbit name tag. Okay, now if it isn't there, check this place. And then mine isn't here because mine's in the downloads because I made it go there. Okay, now if you drag this like that and put it into the microbit like that, let's minimize that. It says copying microbit name tag -3.hex file to microbit. It works, and it is just the best thing you've ever done, and you've just created your first piece of code. Yes, you did it. Give yourself a pat on the back. And now if you get out of that and home, you can see I have the name tag. That was 3 minutes ago. That was 3 days ago. I hope you had fun making your first piece of code and you get encouraged to make more of your own codes by seeing these tutorials. And yeah. And this is what I was talking about. So, where was it? Okay, yeah, radio games. So, if you have like a bunch of microbit, you can make stuff in synchrony like that. And this is what I was talking about, hot or cold. There is rock, paper, scissors against other microbits. That's really cool. And yeah. So that'll be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this amazing video and made the wonderful piece of code. Stay tuned to watch more.